Is it fine now?
Yes, but
Yes, but
again, it's
again,
very
it's
low.
very low.
Maybe
Okay.
because of the earbuds.
Yeah. Is it fine now?
Yes, better.
Okay. So yeah, I was saying notifications we are constantly getting on phone. If like for example, I have just ordered something, then I get a notification that your order is confirmed and like you will get your order on this and this date and times. This is just an example, but you keep getting notifications like on what like WhatsApp message notification, Instagram message notification, update notification.
Anything. So the notifications are constantly with what we are getting on our phone, or constantly what we get on our phone, or what we receive on our cell phone.
I think constantly get on our phone.
Yes. No ing. See, ing, the sentence that you said is not wrong,
Okay.
but do not use ing in spoken English normally when you're talking about general opinions. Just try to use V1, the first form of verb. All right.
Mhm.
Okay. So they are basically the alerts from
Yeah.
our apps or devices to inform us
Mhm.
about new updates, right?
Yes,
Okay.
absolutely.
Great. Okay, so now what we will do is there is a task that I will give you some notifications. I will read out some notifications, and what you have to do is you have to express your emotions based on those
Okay.
notifications, all right?
Okay.
So, first is package delivered, check your doorstep. How would you feel after getting this kind of notification?
I think it's good, excited. This is the only notification which is helpful if like if you have ordered something and you're waiting for it eagerly. So finally if you receive the package, I think you are excited and you want to see how it is.
Yes, so I would feel excited. Yes.
Okay, yeah, I would feel excited and I would go and check if it
Mhm.
is the same thing I have ordered.
Yes. Apart from that, curiosity also. This is a word you can use.
Okay,
Okay.
yes. Mhm.
Yes. Next is payment reminder. Your bill is due tomorrow.
This is not something you were like you would be happy about because your amount will be credited from your bank. Sorry, your amount will be debited from your bank
Okay.
and you but it's good that it's a reminder instead giving extra fine if you don't pay on time. So this is also something very important, though
Yes.
not very like I mean happy notification, but an important one.
Yes, an important one or a concerning one. Okay, I forgot to pay my
Yeah,
bill.
yeah.
Yes. Okay.
Mhm.
Next is security alert. Unusual login detected.
This is something you will be immediately
Attentive. Okay.
attentive. Like if you are logged in something, it is fine. But if you're not, you're doing something else. It is not some. It is not something. I mean, this is a kind of alert to you that something is happening. So it needs your immediate attention.
It needs immediate attention, or
Mm.
you'll get worried
You will
or
get worried.
cautious about things.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. You will get cautious. You will get worried about it, like what's happening.
Yes, exactly.
Yeah.
Okay. Next notification is social media update.
New friend request received.
Yes.
This is something you can ignore. I mean, if you are not so much curious about or you're not so much into social media, you
Uh,
can ignore it because you can check it later when you will open that app for use. But if you're doing something and you get such notification, I think it's a distraction. And if you open and check who's the friend request is, I think you can go on the person's profile and check, and this is going to waste your time. So I think this notification you can ignore and you can keep on hold.
yes. All right. Okay. In your free time, whenever you get time, you can
Mhm.
just check.
Yeah.
So, what is the longest you have gone without checking your phone for notifications, Arushi?
What are the?
What is the longest you have gone without checking your phone for notifications?
I think now a lot of time. I think if I receive a notification yesterday, I may check it tomorrow. It is not that important because I personally feel if something is really important, I'll get a call for that. And if it is not a text specifically, so I can just ignore it and I can keep it on hold and I can check later. So that's I think till up to 2 days I can. Up to
Yes.
2 days, I'll be fine if I not check the notifications I have been receiving on my phone.
All right. Okay. So you repeated the word important so many times, right? From past few times you have been repeating this
Mhm.
word. So
Okay.
what is that one synonym you can use apart from using the word important?
Significant.
Okay, it's if it's not significant. Okay, apart from that, y-
Okay,
if it's
it's
not.
crucial. Yeah.
Yes, so you can
Mhm.
always try to find those synonyms. Okay, all right. So, how do you deal with the insane number of notification alerts or calls from?
Food and finance companies.
Yes.
I think now you have that feature in your app that you can turn off the notifications if it is regarding any app, if it is
Hmm.
regarding Swiggy, Zomato, or
Yes.
like or any other financial app. You have the feature to turn off the notification. That is very helpful
Hmm.
to avoid distractions and to avoid going and checking what's there, because it is not always good to have notifications, because unnecessary spend come with the notifications. If you get a notification that you're getting 50% off for a food, like a kind
Yes.
of food you have been ordering,
Hmm.
and even if you don't need to order food today, you will go and order because you're getting 50% off.
Yes. So you'll
So
get tempted to buy that,
yeah, you will get tempted
to order.
to order even if it is not.
Required.
Hmm.
Yes, that's true. Okay, imagine that you receive a notification from a friend at 2 a.m. saying, "Help, I'm in danger." But it turns out to be a prank. How would you react?
These notifications, I think you have needs immediate attention. It,
Yes, all
it
right.
could it could be urgent ones that really needs your help. So I think yes, I'll check. And if it turns out to be a prank, I think if it is from a friend, I can't react a lot.
You will
I'll be
not?
little I think I'll be little angry that this is not the time to do prank. But again, I mean friendship, it's a friendship, so you cannot overreact.
It's fine. All right, that's you're a good friend then.
Yeah,
Yes. So initially, you will feel concerned about these
we'll
things.
feel concerned about it.
Okay. So what you're trying to do, Arushi, you're expressing yourself in a very beautiful way, but you have to use
Mhm.
more good words,
Yeah,
new words, right? Angry is a good word. It's a very nice word. Agitated, infuriated,
mhm.
annoyed. Yes, so many other things to express
Okay.
yourself with. Okay. All right. In what situations are message notifications extremely helpful, Arushi?
The one we have already discussed, I think when it comes to paying bill, and if you forget about it, then like today's a due date, but you don't remember it and you get a notification. So I think it's a cherry on the cake, or I think it's
Cherry on the top. Mhm.
cherry on the top, or it's kind of a really important, it's kind of a crucial notification that time, and you pay
Okay.
your bill immediately. So it will help you to not overspend or to not pay the unnecessary penalty
Okay.
penalty.
Okay. And during emergencies, these reminders are important. Yes.
Yeah,
So if you have to receive good news, how would you like to be notified and why?
I think I would
Okay, I'll
want.
give you options. Okay.
Mhm.
So if you have to receive some good news, how would you like to be notified and why? A, on call. B, text message. C, face to face meeting.
I think on call, because face-to-face meetings is a way a better option, but I think it will take a lot of time, and I'll have to wait for that good news till we meet again or till we meet. So I think on call, I would love to listen that good news on call. Listen
Yes.
to that good news
On
on
call.
call. Yes.
Okay. So, why should you exercise caution before clicking on random links in notifications?
Because nowadays we are living in a world which is completely based on data, and our data is not secure as much as it should be, and it's a world of AI, so people can do fraud through sending a link, and if you just click on the link, your data is gone, maybe your money is gone, you never know. So I personally think you should not click on any link if it is not familiar to you.
Very good. Beautifully answered. Okay, there is a word known as phishing.
Yes,
Phishing. Okay, so what is phishing? Online scams like to
online
steal
scam.
personal information about you through links or anything,
Mm-hmm.
right?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. Now there is an activity for you. Can you please refer to your session notes?
Yes.
And on slide number 3, can you see the heading activity colon quiz time?
Mm-hmm.
Yes. So you have to spot the errors in these sentences.
Did you see the message I sent you earlier?
Mhm.
I received more notifications than anyone else in family.
Perfect.
Select the right sentence. I need to turn off notifications when I am in meetings. I need to turn off first one.
Okay, yes, that's correct. All right, now there are few adjectives to describe notifications. So, timely notification means?
Should I read it?
No, just tell me.
Okay. Timely notifications means I think the one we have discussed, like the payment one.
Yes. So, notifications which are helpful to you at the right point of time. Yes, they are
Yeah,
timely
which are
notifications.
helpful, which are actually helpful.
Yes. And what are disruptive notifications?
It could be anything, like the one friend request one, which is, of course, I mean, it's fine because it's a app built in that way that you will get a notification. But if you are in the middle of something, I think it will be disruptive one.
Yes. So, any notification that is
Which is
causing
not.
interruption or disturbance, that is a disruptive notification.
Okay.
All right, Arushi. Now, I want to work on the vocabulary exercise with you today,
Yes.
right? So, now there are a few memes given below, so you can just go through them later on, maybe. All
Okay.
right.
Yeah,
Yes,
sure.
today we will talk about the vocabulary exercise. Just a second. Okay. Please check your chat box.
Mm-hmm.
Now, there are few sentences given, and these sentences are filled with easy words, very common words.
Yeah.
You have to replace these common words with the new advanced words. Okay. She
Yeah.
felt very happy after hearing the news. Can you replace happy with good words?
She felt very excited after hearing the news.
Excited and happy are two different things. But
Okay.
we can say that, huh?
Fascinated.
Okay, we can say fascinated. All right. Delightful, can we say that?
Yes.
Yes.
Delightful.
Now, the reason why we are doing this exercise because these are the most commonly used words in our
Yes.
daily
Hmm.
conversations, right? So you can always try to experiment with the new words that I'll give you today. Okay.
Hmm.
Delighted is one of them. Joyful, can we say that?
Yes. Joyful is. Yeah.
Yes. Pleased. She felt very pleased after hearing the news.
Hmm.
Pleased, Pleased.
Yes.
Yes.
Hmm.
All right. And what is the second sentence? The movie was very bad. Can you replace very bad with different words?
The movie was worse.
No,
Okay. The movie was average.
no. Average is not bad. Very bad.
Okay. Very bad.
Awful?
Okay. Yes.
Awful
Was
means very bad.
awful.
It was awful. Yes, you look awful today. All
Okay.
right.
Very good. Yes.
Terrible or poor, but it's not. It is not suitable here. So we can use.
Was
We can go with
terrible.
terrible and
Hmm.
awful.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So he's a very smart student. Can you replace very smart with different words?
Yeah. He's a very intelligent student.
Intelligent. Okay. And what else?
Smart.
Brilliant.
Okay.
Brainy.
Yeah. Brilliant.
Brainy. Have you ever heard of the
Brainy.
word brainy? Brany.
No.
Brainy means smart and intelligent. He's a
No.
brainy student.
Okay. He's a very brainy student.
Brainy. Yes. Okay. All right.
Brainy.
Uh, the teacher gave a good explanation. Can you replace good with something else?
The teacher gave an excellent explanation.
Excellent. All right. Apart from that, what else?
The teacher gave an extraordinary explanation.
An extraordinary. Okay. All right. Apart from that, anything?
The teacher gave an amazing explanation.
Okay. Yes. Also, we can say an outstanding explanation or superb explanation, right?
Hmm.
She was very angry with her friend. Now we talked about these words.
Yeah, she was very
Replace very. See, very is
yes.
the word which is used when you can't find another word. So just delete very. She was very angry with her. So replace very angry with
Furious with her friend. She was
very.
furious.
Okay, furious. Mhm.
Yes, she was agitated with her friend.
Okay, yes,
Angry.
that's it. She was furious, agitated, infuriated is another word. Infuriated.
Okay.
She was infuriated at her friend, or you can say she was annoyed with her friend.
Okay.
Yes. Now
This
there is
is a
yes.
very important session.
Decision. Important, very important. How can you replace this word?
This is a crucial decision.
Okay, yes, and
This is a
critical decision. Okay.
this is a significant decision.
Okay. There is another word for important, that is pivotal. P I V O
Yeah, I
T
think this word you have already told me, and I was trying to recall some. There is some word starts from P, but I couldn't get it.
A. Okay, now we get it. Now you will not forget it again.
Pivotal.
So pivotal, a necessary,
Yes,
crucial, significant, essential. These
yes,
are the words.
essential. Yeah,
Essential. All right. What is the other sentence?
the story was
Very interesting. How can we replace this now?
interesting, unforgettable, interesting,
No. Okay, there is a very common word for this, that is intriguing. The story was,
intriguing. Yeah,
and yes, intriguing is the synonym of interesting. Apart from that,
intriguing.
fascinating would be used here now. Fascinating means interesting.
Okay.
Apart from that, engaging, can we say that the story was very engaging?
Yes.
There is another word that is vivid, means when you give a clear explanation about something and you make, for example, if I say red apple, it was a red apple, very juicy one. So you're able to imagine that in your head. So I'm giving the vivid explanation where the imagination is very working very nicely. So that is
Vivid.
VIVID, vivid.
But vivid is something you barely remember, right?
Sorry?
But vivid is something you barely remember. That we commonly say that I have vivid memory of something.
No, vivid is something which is a very clear explanation where you are able to imagine things. That is a vivid explanation, clear
Okay, which means
explanation.
my understanding is completely opposite about vivid. Okay.
No, vivid means this only. All right, now there is,
I was very tired after work.
yes, so very tired. Just replace it.
He was exhausted after work.
Apart from that,
He was drained after work.
very nice. Yes. He was feeling weary after work. Weary means,
Mm,
you're completely, again, very tired.
okay.
Weary. Yes. All right. She gave a big smile.
He
Can
gave
you?
a huge smile
Okay. Yes. Okay. We can say that metaphorically. And
and a big smile.
enormous, an enormous smile.
Enormous.
Yes.
Okay.
Enormous. That means big. Okay. Apart from that, we cannot use massive and big, but
Yeah.
massive is again the synonym of big. Gigantic is the synonym of big.
Yeah, but
So
here we can't use those
yes,
sentences.
yes, but
Okay.
here we cannot use. All right. She gave a very attractive smile. We can say that.
Okay.
Yes. Okay. Now the last one.
The room was very clean. Okay. The room was
Yes.
clean.
Can we say the room was spotless, or
Okay.
the room looked flawless,
Okay.
or neat and tidy? The room was neat and
The
tidy.
room was neat and yes.
Tidy. Apart from that, there is another word that is immaculate. IMMA.
Yeah, immaculate. Yes.
Immaculate is perfectly clean, perfectly tidy.
The
Okay.
room was immaculate.
Yes, immaculate. Okay, so this is all for today's session, Arushi, and you can
Yeah.
always try to experiment with at
Yes.
least one
Yes.
word in the session, right? Yes. All right, that's all for today. Have a great day ahead.
Thank
Bye.
you so much. Thank you for this practice.
It's always, it's my duty.
Bye bye.